Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Tylo. I do makeup videos and crochet braids videos. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always being here. Today's video is about crochet braids. Excuse the messy hair. I've had this in for a couple of weeks now and I wanted to take it down. I just wanted to show you guys how I take down my crochet braids. I know it's fairly easy to take down, but if you know me, I'm really lazy and I always find the easiest way to do things. I don't know if that's the best idea, but in this case, I really love how I take down my crochet braids. It's super easy, super fast, and if you want to see how I do it, let's keep watching. The first thing you need is a pair of scissors, obviously, to cut the hair, and any type of conditioner. I use the Design Essential, what's it called? Hello Hydration. I don't know if the camera is picking it up. I like it because it's really moisturizing, and I'll show you how I use that conditioner to take down my crochet braids. What you need to do is cut the hair down, and I like to do this in sections, so just hold the hair and just cut it at the base. Alright, so once you're done cutting everything down, I look kind of crazy, right? Once you're done cutting everything down, the next thing you need to do is put some conditioner in. Actually, a lot of conditioner in. So, like I said, I'm using the Hello Hydration, and I'm just gonna take a few pumps. And I'm going to douse my hair in conditioner. This is what is going to soften up the braids and all the knots so it can come out really easily. So once you've soaked your hair with a lot of conditioner, just let this sit in for about 10 to 15 minutes depending on how tight your braids are. I usually just leave it for like 5-10 minutes because I keep my crochet braids in for a long time, so my braids are like really loose and very soft, which is one of the reasons why I don't like to cut too low, because sometimes you can mess up and cut your hair. So this method works really well for me, and if it works for you too, that would be great. So just put enough conditioner in and just let it sit for a while. Alright, so after waiting for about 10-15 minutes, what you need to do, which is the trickiest part of this process, is find where your braid ends. If you install your hair by yourself, you should probably know where you ended your braids. But if you go to a salon to get your hair done, maybe ask before you leave where the braid ends so you know how to take it out. So for me, obviously I installed this myself, and this is where my braid ends. And all I do is just start to take out the braids, even though the knots are in there. But because of the conditioner, the knots and my braids are really soft, and literally you can just start taking this out, and all it does is takes out your braid and takes out the knots from the crochet braids as well. So it's pretty easy. And literally, see, it just pulls out. It just starts to pull out the hair, and it just slides out very easily. Like I didn't have to cut any knots at the base. I just cut the hair down and it's just coming out. So that's pretty much it with this method all you have to do is just keep taking the hair out. Taking out one line of my hair, and that was super easy. I didn't cut my hair, I didn't cut down any knots, and it's already kind of moisturized from the conditioner. And all I'm going to do is take the rest out and shampoo it, and I'm done. Quick and super easy. All of this took me maybe 20 minutes to take out, and there was a lot of it, so I don't have any tension in my hair, no knots in, everything is done, all taken down, and my hair feels super moisturized because of the conditioner. So that's it for this video. I'm gonna go wash my hair and deep conditioner my hair and think about what style to do next. But thank you so much for joining me, and if you try this method, let me know in the comment section below if it works for you, if you like it, or if you don't, and also if you would want to see more videos like this. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.